Welcome back to Growing with Professor Brown. Today's video is a little bit different. We're taking a short, peaceful walk through one of Japan's beautiful gardens. No teaching, no talking, just the sights and sounds of nature. Stick around until the end. I've got some quick announcements about some upcoming videos that you won't want to miss. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I've got something exciting to share. Over the next few weeks, I'll be releasing a brand new series here on the channel. Quiet, immersive videos from my recent trip to Japan. These will be simple, calm walks through gardens, trails, and a few special spots I visited, including the deer park in Nara and a hike up the sacred Nunobiki waterfall trail. These videos will come out every Wednesday at 12 p.m. starting next week. It's my way of bringing a little peace into the middle of your week. And of course, my regular gardening videos will still come out every Friday at 10 a.m. So if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell so you don't miss any of the videos. I can't wait to share these moments with you. See you next week.